This dog was kidnapped, and what he did next saved a life. See, one afternoon, a dog was playing outside his house when a van suddenly stopped. Two men jumped out, threw a bag over him, and kidnapped him. Hours passed. His owners searched everywhere. Later, CCTV footage showed the truth. The kidnapper chained the dog inside his house, called dealers, and planned to sell him the next morning. That night, while the man was sleeping, a fire suddenly broke out. Flames spread fast. The dog barked and barked, but he never woke up. Then he broke free from the chain, and instead of running away, he ran to the man's room and pulled his blanket hard. The man woke up, saw the fire, and both escaped just in time. The next morning, the kidnapper returned the dog to his owners, apologized, and thanked the life that saved his own.